Let's take a look at number 6. How did you solve this problem? We know that great mathematicians always solve problems on their own first before they decide whether or not they agree with someone else's work. So how did you solve? Say your answers out loud. I heard you say that you used the number line and plotted that the race began at 3:45 and that we were missing when the race ended. You made 2 jumps of 10 minutes and 1 jump of 8 minutes to equal 28 minutes total of elapsed time. In this problem, we had more than 1 elapsed time, and that's okay. You can always add them together to get 1 elapsed time. I noticed that you said the race would end at 4:13. Interesting. Now, let's take a look at Haley's work and compare the work that we've done. Do you agree with Haley's work? Why or why not? Say your answers out loud. I'm noticing that many of you disagree with Haley's work. Why? What mistake did she make? I heard you say that our friend Haley forgot that there are only 60 minutes in an hour. When she added 10 minutes to 3:55, she just added 10 plus 55 and got to 365, then 8 plus 65 to get to 373. Have you ever heard of a time like 373? I haven't. Haley forgot there were only 60 minutes in 1 hour. So what can she do to fix her mistake? Say your answers out loud. That's right. Haley needs to go back and check her time right here. When she added 10 minutes to 3:55, she should have noticed that when she got to 60, we needed to change to the next hour. Let's try that with her. Grab 3:55. Count up 10 minutes, 3:56, 3:57, 3:58, 3:59. What happens here? Yes, 4 o'clock. 4:01, 4:02, 4:03, 4:04, 4:05. Thanks for helping me fix that mistake. As you jump into your exit ticket, make sure that you are remembering that there are only 60 minutes in an hour. And if we need to cross the hour, we need to make sure that we are changing the hour.